Many of us, before starting our career in information technology, we only know that two things are alone running in information technology. One is programming and another one is testing. With respect to technology, we only know the basic concepts of say data structure, DBMS or Java. Suppose say in today's market, if you are a fresher and doing a job search and falling into this category, the probability of getting filtered by the recruiters are very minimal. In order to overcome this complexity and to know the awareness of what is happening in today's trends in information technology, we are going to list down the technologies so that as per the interest, as per your comfortability, you can choose any of these technologies. And also we would be suggesting the combination of technologies that you can choose so that you can easily grab the opportunity. As part of this clipping, we are going to list down the technologies that we are going to discuss on the further videos. In that way, the fifth technology what we are going to discuss is big data. In order to learn big data, we need certain prerequisites to learn before going to that. So let us see what are all the prerequisites that are required. So basically we need to know two things. One is data warehouse and the other one is the programming knowledge. So from programming perspective, I would strongly suggest you to know about Python and Scala. So we have listed Python and Scala. And from data warehouse perspective, we need to know both NoSQL as well as SQL. So that we will be covering on the database session. Apart from this, Unix and shell scripting must be known because in big data technology, mostly we'll be playing around with files. So in the upcoming videos, we will be discussing about each technologies in detailed manner. During each session, we will be sharing about the basics of each technology and how those technologies has been used in the real-time IT industry. So from resource perspective, so whatever the resources we will be sharing on the each clipping will be very much helpful from learning from basics to the intermediate level that includes the hands-on as well. And very importantly, at the end of each session, we will be discussing exclusively with interview questions whatever will be asked during the interview on those each respective technologies. So if you've been going through each videos completely, you would be having a better understanding of niche technologies that has been going in the IT industry today. This will definitely increase the visibility of being recruited into any organization or any IT industry. So once you have been groomed into this, the chances of getting into any IT industry would be highly visible for you. So stay tuned with us to know about these technologies so that you can grab and expose IT.